Welcome back everybody. So guys, in this class what I'm just going to teach you, basically I'm just going to teach you about different kind of data types which is necessary to be known. By the way, we have the string data type, we have the most famous data types are the string and the integer. Then we'll use other data types like the variable, the array data type, the boolean and etc. But right now I'm just going to teach about the two most famous and most important data types for now. How we can do that. So how we can differentiate between them, I'm just gonna teach you about that. If I just press enter and if I just type another echo, or why not I just delete that top one and simply type echo, as I'm just gonna use the echo for now throughout the whole course. So there I'm just gonna use the hello world again and save, and then just go to the browser and refresh the page. The hello world I'm getting. Go back to the notepad and now I'm just typing 1, save and go to the browser and refresh the page. So I'm just getting 1. Okay, if I just type 1 plus 2, so if you remember that what we just talked about, the programming language, that if I just type 1 plus 2, so they will answer us the 3, because this is the programming language, not the simple rendering language. The simple HTML will show us the 1 plus 2, but the PHP, because it's a programming language just like the JavaScript, it will show us the 3. The difference between the JavaScript and the PHP is, you know, that the JavaScript is a client-side language, and the PHP is a server-side language. Go to the browser and test this out and refresh the page. Oh wow, 1 plus 2, that means it's not working perfectly. It's looking like the PHP, the HTML. But why this is just like 1 plus 2, not the 3? Because this is the string data type. Because we just put this inside the single or double quotes, so it's just looking like the string or the text. So now we just need to add the integers to getting the answer of these operands like the plus, minus, multiply, or etc. Again, I'm just gonna echo something, but be inside the PHP tags, and now here I'm just typing 1 plus 3. Now, so now it will show in a browser as the 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, because it's an integer. The sign of the integer is it has no single or double quotes. Without single or double quotes, it can be the integer. But if we just type instead of the number, because integers are only the numbers, okay, integers can't be the alphabets. If we just put the alphabets without single or double quotes, so they will be the variables. I'm not going to talk about the variables for now, but if you just remember about the JavaScript, so you must know about the variables very well, because the JavaScript has the variables also like the PHP has, but with a little difference in type. So I'm just gonna go to the browser and refresh the page. Now you can see that 4 here. I'm removing that thing here, I'm removing that, and now save and check out that again in a browser. So you can see that this is number 4. That means it's working perfectly. We're getting the perfect value. The 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. In the same way, if I just type 1 instead of the 1, if I just type 4, and I'm just typing here the multiply, the 4 multiplied by 3, so refresh, this is 12. In the same way, if I just minus, add a subtract sign and refresh the page, so this is 1, because 4 minus 3 equal to 1. And in the same way, if I just add the divide sign, so refresh the page, so you can see that 1.3. So probably you just understood about the integers and the strings. In the next class we'll learn some more things. Stay tuned and goodbye.